What if the task of working with a large number of suppliers, negotiating rates, issuing purchase orders, receiving material, etc., could be made as easy as that? Let's see how OpteriX can conveniently manage supplier offers, issue POs accurately, and ensure availability of material when they are required for your projects. We will start by looking at how purchase orders are made for the high side equipment. We start from the purchase dashboard, choose new supplier offer. We are buying high side equipment from Ekta Corporation for the project called RP Residence. We assume that the Ekta Corporation has already given us a rate sheet with all the high side equipment that are required for this project. Let's see. This is the supplier offer editor for a project. This project, the items quoted in the project quotation have been pulled into this sheet automatically along with their quantities and the rates quoted to the customer. Here we are going to enter the rates offered by the supplier under this offer number. We have entered the rates offered by the supplier here. As we can see, here we see the total cost of the equipment to us based on these rates. And here, this is the total amount we are charging our customer for this equipment. As a result, we make this profit. So this supplier offer editor helps us see the complete math of the high side equipment for this project, how much it is going to cost us, how much we are going to charge the customer, and therefore is it making sense for us or not. We are satisfied with this, so we save it and hit next, and that's it. Our supplier offer is ready. Now we can take this offer and create a supplier PO. To create a supplier PO, we just hit this button. When we hit the new supplier PO button, the information in the supplier offer that was selected is used to set up this supplier PO. All the items in the supplier offer have been copied here along with the prices that were quoted in the supplier offer. All we have to do now is enter the quantity that we want to purchase at present. So we just entered these quantities and we can just hit save, and all the other items which have been left at 0 items have been dropped. We fill in the detail of the payment, save, and hit next, and that's it. Our supplier PO is ready. Now let's see how these items that have just been ordered are received. For that, we will go to the store dashboard. To receive goods, we first go to the supplier PO's high side because we ordered the high side equipment, and here it is. Our high side PO is right here, and we can hit this receive goods button to start receiving. We have filled in the received quantities, the invoice number, the invoice date, and an order number, which is the PO number filed by Ekta Corporation, the supplier. And now we are ready to save. So that means we have received 2 each of these items, of which 10 each were ordered. And hit next. And now we can notice that in the supplier PO high side, we have the received value and the received quantity updated. Now wish to review the received items. Go to this received high side. You will see the items received history. So for example, we just did this Ekta Corporation under this offer number, this PO number, this order number. And if you want to see further detail, you can here. So these are the items which were just received. We will now see the flow for purchase of low side material. First, we will create an offer and then use that offer number in the supplier purchase order that we create for the low side material. We are back in the purchase dashboard to create a new supplier offer. We are creating an open offer which can be applied to any project for low side material from our supplier called Bundy Enterprises. And this offer number has been applied to it as given by the company. we are assuming that a rate sheet has been given to us. So there, we have created a supplier offer for all the copper items offered by Bundy Enterprises. All the rates have been entered, and now we are ready to use this supplier offer number for any purchase order we create for Bundy Enterprises. Let's see how that is done. To create a supplier PO, we go to this option, select Bundy Enterprises from this, and pick an offer number, or sometimes called approval number, the number 3 that we just created, and enter a delivery address like this, and we have picked some copper items that Bundy Enterprises offers and entered the quantities, and we first save it. The offer number was already selected here. So what we now do is hit this button called apply offered rates. When we hit that, the supplier prices are automatically pulled from the offer, this offer number, and set in this PO. So now the PO is ready. We save it and we are done. Receiving the low side material is exactly same as receiving the high side material. We will go to the store, pick the PO and receive against it. We are back in the store dashboard. We go to the files and supplier PO low side and pick this Bundy Enterprises order and hit this button called receive. There we have filled the quantities, the invoice and invoice date and the order number, and that's it. This PO has been completely received. OpteriX lets you actively monitor inventory levels and check if some items have gone below the minimum level and place orders. We will see how we can monitor inventory and create purchase orders directly from the inventory. So we go to the inventory for low side and see there are some items which are marked green and others are red. The red ones are the ones which are below the minimum level. The minimum stock level has been mentioned here, and we see that the actual stock level is way below that. So these items need to be ordered. To do that, we just have to select them and hit this button called purchase order. We select the supplier and an offer number and a due date and enter the order quantities and save. The next thing to do is hit this button called apply offer rate. We hit that and the supplier prices are set, and now we are ready with this order. Save it and hit next, and just like before, we can now receive the items. So we have seen how we can create a supply order directly from an inventory. OpteriX offers a convenient way to manage supplier offers. Of course, you need to enter the supplier offers into the system, but once done, they are here and you can track them easily. You can search by suppliers or offer number or project, etc. The physical copy of the offer can be uploaded here. So when it comes to creating a supplier PO, you do not have to look into your emails or in your printouts to look for the correct prices. So with OpteriX on your site, do not look for rate sheets in your emails or in printouts. Select the correct prices by simply entering the correct offer number. The prices will be set automatically. When the offered rates expire, such as if you get better rates or if the supplier is not offering those rates anymore, just block those codes by marking them as expired so that no one can use them by mistake and you save yourself some time. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Hope you found it useful. See you soon with more. Thanks. Bye-bye.